Once you arrive at the correct typing test for your grade, you'll notice grade 4 phrases at the top. You will notice that it starts with a blue letter. That means you are going to type that letter and you will just keep typing. All of these phrases are going to pop up, pop up. As soon as you start, this time will start. Try to ignore that while you are typing. One good thing to know is if you scroll down a bit, you can actually have both what you're supposed to type and the finger placement show on the screen. So you'll hopefully have your fingers on home row, which means the left pointer is on the F and the right pointer is on the J. And then you should see the finger placement that will help you type these letters accurately with the same finger every time so that you have muscle memory. And eventually, that pointer is going to remember exactly where it needs to go for that N. So as soon as you start typing, it will as well. Always. Right? And notice as I'm making a mistake, it bleeps at me and it makes it red, but just keep going. Space. Every month, once a year, now and then. And at the end of each row, you can hit enter or you can hit space and it will continue on to the next row. So continue until your time is up, and then you're going to get something that looks like this. And your results read as follows. This is your speed, 11 words a minute. That's the speed for this person. 93% accuracy. We want the accuracy as high as possible. That's the how correct I was. And then you can read this data if you would like. The really important thing is the error rate, 6 errors. So you want to reduce that rate at the same time as you are increasing your speed. Good luck. Feel free to take this several times. Take a screenshot of every attempt so that you can use your best attempt as your baseline.